to my channel and welcome to another Mommy Monday video. Lincoln is usually part of every single one of these videos, but today we might have to break that trend. He's napping. He desperately needed to nap, you guys. He's wild these days. He's in this like stage of life where he's into everything. He's playing, he's learning, he's so big and he's so smart. We've turned our loft, which is right outside of my bedroom door, into his play area. It's perfect, it works well for us, but I can't film when he's awake anymore because he's so loud out there. And so long story short, I can really only film while he's napping these days, and currently he's napping. Well, someone is awake from his nap and wanted to come in and say hi. Lincoln, can you say hi to the camera? His hair's getting so long. Everyone keeps asking me when I'm gonna cut his hair. I don't know. We actually put it in like a little ponytail on top of his head most of the time because it's in his eyes constantly, but I'm not sure when we're gonna cut it. Lincoln, show everybody how big you are. Look at how big you are. Look! Yeah? Are you nice and big? You're a big boy. You just want to play. Look at him look around. He's like, what can I get into? What can I do to get into trouble? I have a feeling my list of stuff for these videos is going to continue to get smaller and smaller, simply because he doesn't need a whole lot of stuff right now. We use a lot of the same stuff that we have been using like month over month. Of course, we get new toys, and that's basically what I'm going to share with you guys, but there really isn't these like necessary items anymore. It's more of just like Lincoln's favorite products, I guess is what we can consider this. The first thing I have on my list is snack cups. He's a very snacky person. He loves goldfish crackers, he loves puffs, he loves Cheetos, and of course he's a crazy toddler, so anytime I give him anything in an open cup, it goes everywhere. But we found these little cups by Munchkin. They're super cheap. I think they're like $4 for 2 cups that have like a hole in the top. I'm trying to think of what to compare it to. Like, you know, like a tub of Clorox wipes, how it has that like thing in it that prevents them all from coming out at once. It's the same concept where it contains the snacks, but he can reach his hand in, grab a handful, pull it out, and he's not going to dump the snacks everywhere. I've talked to you guys a lot about different spoons that we've used over the years, but Lincoln has been really into forks lately. It took him a while to grasp the concept of using a fork. He's got it down now. He knows how to use a fork. He stabs his food and he's able to pick it up, and he started kind of getting the hang of it probably around 15, 16 months. And our favorite forks are by Cloud Island. They're Target's brand, and it's like $3 for 3 forks. They're super inexpensive, but they're nice and sturdy and they're cute. The handles are soft, and those have been the best for us. Okay, as far as toys that Lincoln has been really into, the first thing I have written down is his slide. My sister bought him the slide for, was it his birthday or was it Christmas? When she first got it, I think he was a little bit too young for it because we would use it, but it was more for like, we'd roll toys down it, we'd have his stuffed animals slide down the slide. And anytime he used it, he liked it, but he couldn't quite figure it out. But I pulled it, so we like put it away. I pulled it out when we had our neighbor. So our neighbor's daughter is 2 months older than Lincoln. She comes over occasionally to play. When she came over, I pulled it out. She was like, okay, thanks. She climbed up the stairs all by herself, slid down all by herself. And I was like, well, shoot, if she can do it, so can Lincoln. So shortly that same day, I taught Lincoln how to climb up the stairs by himself and slide down by himself. And ever since then, he's loved that dang slide. I've had to be very like conscious about the fact that he's got it now, but a little bit earlier on, he has to have both feet in front, because he had a couple situations where he would go down like in the split stance and like have one leg down and he would slide down, and I was so afraid he was gonna hurt himself, but we've practiced over and over again. Currently the slide is in our backyard. I think I'm gonna get like a little kiddie pool and like put it in the pool so he can slide into the water. Next thing I have on here is a broom, like a child-sized broom. And we discovered this back in January. So Lincoln would have been, what, 15, 16 months right then? My mother-in-law, we were in Arizona, so we were visiting family, and my mother-in-law had a broom, you know, just like a normal broom that you and I have, that she was sweeping with, and Lincoln was obsessed. He was fascinated by her broom. He was carrying it around everywhere. He loved the broom. So she ended up buying him like a toddler-sized broom Loved that, played with it so much. So when we left, I was like, well, I gotta buy him a broom for home now. He loves that dang broom. He now uses the handle to flip light switches on and off. So dang smart. Next thing on my favorites list for Lincoln is sound books. So different animal sounds, or I think there's one for trucks and things like that. So the first one he got was farm animals, and it's just one of those standard books where you have like the buttons down the side that you push that make different noises. He loves it, you guys. So he has that one, he has a dinosaur one, and then he also has some other animal one, and he's obsessed. He loves animal noises. We're really trying to work on our noises and animal names and things like that with him. Next thing on my list is a toy by Lovevery. So we recently got their block set in the mail, and you guys, it blew me away for a number of different reasons. The first one is there's so many toys in there. There's so many blocks, and it's not just square blocks. There's different shapes, different sizes. The box itself turns into a car. So it comes with these little rods with magnetic wheels, and it turns into a car. It does so many different things. There's like a page that it comes with that tells you all the different things that you can do with the block set. It comes with like a needle and thread, so you can thread the blocks on there. Lincoln loves doing that. And it's just jam-packed with so many different learning activities. I was blown away in a good way with how many things you could do with this block set. It's also really nicely made. The blocks are all wooden, the pieces are all wooden, and it's just nice and sturdy, and I know it's gonna last for a really long time. Even my dad, so my dad came to visit, he made a comment that was like, wow, you don't see quality toys like this very much anymore. That block set particularly isn't part of the subscription service, so you don't have to have a Lovevery subscription to get the block set. You can buy just the block set off of their website, which I think is great. It is undoubtedly the toy that we play with the most right now. This is a great time to pop in and let you guys know that I am collabing with Lovevery to give one of you guys a play kit of your choice for any stage and any phase of your baby or toddler's life. You guys, I love these play kits so much. You know, I've talked them to death. I can't get enough of them. Lincoln loves the toys. He gets so excited every single time we get a new play kit. The toys are so well made. They're sturdy. They're gonna last for years and years. They have taught him so many new skills, hand-eye coordination, problem solving. They are absolutely amazing, and I can't get enough of them. So I'm so happy to give one of you guys a play kit of your choice. If you would like to enter that giveaway, check out my description box down below for ways to enter, but you just have to subscribe to my channel and Lovevery's channel, and then leave a comment down below letting me know what play kit you are most interested in, and we will pick one winner. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and thank you so much, Lovevery, for helping us out, giving a play kit to one of my subscribers. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to hear what you guys think of it. The last thing I want to mention to you guys is trucks. Lincoln has really been into trucks lately. We live in a community where they're still kind of building some of the houses, and so therefore there's a lot of construction trucks around us. He has just picked up this liking for construction trucks. Anytime he sees them, he points at them. He tries to say the names. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen a ton of videos where we will just like park the stroller on the corner of our neighborhood, and he just watches the concrete trucks and the dump trucks and the diggers and all of that. He gets so excited when he sees them. So I've bought him a few little toy construction trucks for him to like have that same interaction, you know, while he's playing, and he loves them, and it brings me so much joy to like see something that he likes so much. He's liked things here and there, but I feel like construction trucks are the first like thing that he's able to identify in multiple manners. So whether it be in real life or in pictures in books, like the Little Blue Truck book has a dump truck in it, and every time he sees it, he points at it, he gets so excited. He has some construction truck pajamas, so when he sees those, he gets really excited and he points, and it's so exciting to see him like something, you know what I mean? And I feel like it's gonna get me in trouble as he gets older, because every time there's something that he likes, I'm gonna be like, let's get you all the things, the books, the toys, the clothes, but I guess that's what us moms do, right? So anyways, those are the toys that Lincoln is really, really loving right now, and the things that we've really been enjoying during this phase of his life. I hope that you guys are continuing to like these videos. I will probably try to keep doing them up until at least 2 years, because inevitably there is going to be little things that I find here and there that, you know, are helpful or useful or things that he likes. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye!